Here's a rare treat. You never normally see a Honda NSR250 looking like this. This one isn't being rebuilt, it's simply been left with the fairings off so we can have a proper look at it. This Honda NSR250SP belongs to James Jackson, who kindly left it stripped so we could film it in this state. It's here because it suffered an oil pump seal failure, which on a two-stroke can be a small problem with pretty big consequences. On the NSR, the oil pump sits on top of the crankcase, and when the seal fails, the two-stroke oil doesn't disappear, it drains straight down into the gearbox. So rather than feeding the engine, the oil ends up contaminating the transmission. The pump itself really isn't the issue, it's the seal that's let go. With that sorted, everything else has been left alone, and that's what makes this interesting. Normally, all of this is hidden behind plastic, so we're getting to see it today. You see these bikes, you hear them, but you don't really see them like this. Stripped back, you get a real sense of how compact and purposeful the design is. The frame, the engine, the way everything was packaged. They're pretty rare now, and moments like this don't come around very often. That space in between riding and rebuilding where you can just stop and look at the beginning, it won't stay like this for long. So it's great that we've had the opportunity to film this while it's still naked. Here's James, he's just about to tell us how he's carried out the repair to the oil pump seal, and for those people that have got an NSR250 that may want some advice about this, I'll let him chat away.
So went for a simple gearbox oil change, took the cap off, the filler cap, I dumped all the oil out so it was completely dry, let it drain for 10-15 minutes. I washed it out, then went to the oil pump, disconnected all the ancillaries. First thing you've got to do is disconnect the oil pump feeds, gently pulling them off. Then you have to take your pulley off the cable. Your oil pump will pull out.
Just pops out, does it?
Just pulls off gently, and then you can get it out.
And the seals that you put back on the pump itself, were they difficult to fit or?
No, you're going from Issachar. Issachar is a outlet in Japan.
Right, so they came from Japan then?
They had to order them from Japan. On the UK, don't sell them as a kit.
And what's spares like for this then?
They're quite easy actually. Other ancillary bits you can still get from David Silver's, depending on what you need.
Have you fired it up yet?
Yeah.
It was a bit smoky, was it?
A bit smoky for a couple of minutes, which is normal.
Oh, brilliant, mate. Well, I'm glad you got it sorted. Thanks for showing us. Thanks for letting us have a look underneath the clothes of the sexy NSR 250 MC28SP. What a beautiful bike. Brilliant.
If anyone's got any issues, just get in contact with
I'll put James's details in the description, and if you need any advice on one of these, you can always speak to him. But yeah, brilliant. Thanks for that, mate. So I hope you enjoyed this little video of the beautiful NSR 250SP. If you did enjoy it, thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave us a comment and give us a like and subscribe. Thanks.